What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Rockstar game launcher. Support has ended for Windows 7 and 8, but you're actually trying to play it on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get right into this. So a lot of times, even I've said some errors on how to resolve them is to change the compatibility, and that's basically what has happened here. Is, for example, the Rockstar game launcher, you probably changed the compatibility. So right click into it, go to properties. In here, go to the compatibility section, and you most likely change this to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 or 7 or the ones prior. Again, this is something that helps resolve a lot of issues for other things, but it's possible you tried doing this for this one and then this didn't end up resolving it because the support is straight up ended for it. So it doesn't even let you essentially run it for that. This is for the launcher itself. You can still do this for the game itself. It's just the launcher itself won't work when you're trying to do it compatibility mode for those specific windows. So you just need to disable it, press apply, press OK, restart your computer, try again, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please subscribe, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then tutorials out. Peace.